Party!
The foundation of any kitchen is a great set of cookware. There are a lot of cool brands out there making nice things, but nothing that checked all the boxes for us. So we made a set that did, the Party of 4 Cook Kit. After mastering the rugged with our cast iron, we learned that the first, most important factor in creating the ideal cookware is identifying the right materials. An ultralight and robust aluminum build, stainless steel for the handle and base, all wrapped in a slick, non-stick, non-toxic SavvyCeramic coating. Because every kitchen has different parameters and different needs, we ensured that every piece in the set is capable of working on all cooking surfaces and in any home oven. Then, to spice things up, we crafted an aesthetic ready to take on any modern kitchen. Timelessly stylish and a tiny bit nostalgic. To nail down the little details, we went to one of our favorite chefs here in St. Louis.
For me, food is passion, family, memories, and culture. It's a building block of community. And that last reason especially is why I got into this crazy industry. That magic thing, connecting food and community, is where I really vibe with Greater Goods. And it's that kind of magic that I wanted to help bring to this cookware set. So I focused on the little things that make big differences, like creating the perfect balance between handle and body, crafting utensil holders into all 4 pieces, and flattening the top of the lids so they can rest perfectly on any counter. Or a classic feature, but one that really matters, utilizing ventilated tempered glass. These things might seem trivial, but they'll help bring that restaurant magic to your home. As a chef, a question I get asked all the time is, what pieces do I need to make the meals I want from home? Newsflash, it's this set of SavvyCeramic cookware.
At Greater Goods, everything we do is to make homes happier and healthier. We see the Party of 4 Cook Kit as the first step in creating that reality. Go ahead, elevate the heart of your home.